manage stress? Like कभी time आया होगा जब it would have become so overwhelming. So would love for you to share. How did you manage your stress? Any things you used to do, practice, right? Eliza, would love to start with you on this.
Firstly, like थोड़ा proper sleep लेना is must. So उसके बाद I was in hostel, so we guys like sit together and talk about anything, and it can be anything we used to talk about, and we used to watch movies after test to relieve the stress. So and also we used to go to wander around. So this helped to remove the stress, and also my parents helped in this. Like my father was very chill about the exam. He was like कोई बात नहीं, हो गया तो भी सही है, नहीं हुआ तो ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And my brother was he is 3 years elder than me, so वो भी ऐसा था कि उसने सेम सिचुएशन में काफ़ी हो गया था, तो ही वॉज लाइक कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. तो वो जो बोलता था इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. लाइक मतलब वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहा है मेरे लिए. तो उस चीज़ से काफ़ी स्ट्रेस मैनेज रहा है.
Very interesting. Anything?
Yeah, I got my parents at my back, and they were a continuous support for me throughout the 2 years. And yes, again, diet and sleep are very important. And yeah, again, in the end, it's all blessings from parents and teachers that matters the final day. And
very interesting. Anand, anything you would like to
Yeah,
add?
apart from stress, there is one more point, which is like not losing your natural self. And I clearly have seen a lot of examples who lost their natural self, and because of that, their marks started dipping. And one particular case was Amit, as I was talking about, that during his preparation towards the end, his marks started dipping. And when we took a deep dive, we found that he used to play cricket, and suddenly he stopped, and he promised his parent that he will not play cricket. And because of that stress which was on him, he was losing marks, but he did not know exactly why he was losing marks. And when we actually asked the parents to let him play cricket in the last days, parents were also furious, but they understood and they allowed him, and suddenly his marks started going up.